G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Here's my latest update on my restoration progress of my late 50s His Master's Voice F5A6 black and white telly. Okay, in the last video I stated that I was going to rewire this telly, rewire the vertical section to the given circuit here, created by John Hunter of cool386.com, in which this circuit replaces the blocking oscillator transformer. Well, anyway, I discovered a while back that that this TV has already been rewired in a little bit similar fashion to John's circuit, but pretty far off, to compensate for the failed blocking transformer. Well, anyway, I've just taken the plunge into rewiring this telly to John's given circuit here, and what I've marked down in red is what I've done so far. So yeah, it takes a lot of thinking and referring back to the other circuit diagrams and the other version of the blocking oscillator fix circuit diagram here, which is marked in red. So I'm sort of going back over these circuits, double checking everything, checking which pin of the valves go where, and yeah, I'll get it done probably within the next few days if I'm motivated enough to stick at it, because I'm a bit, I'll spend a bit of time one day, then may not look at it for a week, but yeah, I get like that at times. But anyway, I hope to get this rewired within the next few days, and hopefully the TV will still work and work a hell of a lot better than it previously was working. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I've done so far, marked in red, of John's modified circuit. And yeah, as the original modification is somewhat up to a point similar to John's circuit, it's kind of in one way made my life a little bit easier, but in another way it's made my life a little bit harder because I had to trace out this earlier version of the fix for the blocking oscillator failure. So anyway, I'm working at it, and yeah, once I've rewired it all, I've got to check over to make sure it is conforming to John's circuit and there's no wiring mistakes, because yeah, wiring mistake could easily result in burning of components and could even result in catastrophic failure for all I know too. So yeah, I've really got to double check over it, maybe triple check, etc., like I do generally, and hope for the best. Alright, well, that's pretty much where I'm at. This is some of the rewiring I've done so far. I've replaced some capacitors here, replaced the 22 nanofarad, the 2.2 nanofarads with the 4.7 nanofarads. Yeah, I've replaced a bunch of resistors, capacitors. I've pretty much mostly replaced a lot of resistors and capacitors. And rewired some wiring and all that. Alright, that's enough of me waffling on. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully I'll have this TV completely rewired to John's modified circuit. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.